Welcome back all my dear students for our virtual classes. My dear students, in the previous video we have learned the information about different natural calamities. Okay. In the previous video I also explained the types of calamities. Okay. And in this lesson number 2, the name of that lesson is what? Natural calamities. We are taking the information about the different natural calamities. Okay, how does they occur? After that, which kind of causes are there of that natural calamities we are watching that. So up to now we have seen the example of two natural calamities and we have taken the information about them. First was earthquake. After that we have learned the information about, or we have taken the information about volcanic eruption. Okay, in the previous video we have seen, or we have learned the information about these two natural calamities. Okay, which are those? Earthquake and volcanic eruption. Okay, in this video I am going to give you the information about our next natural calamity, and the name of that next natural calamity is, and the point that we have learned today is tsunami. Which one? Tsunami. Next natural calamity that we have to learn today is tsunami. Here T is silent. Okay, it's not a tsunami, it is a tsunami. T is silent here. Okay, now we have to take the information about this natural calamity, tsunami. Now what is tsunami? First of all, tsunami is a Japanese word. Okay, this one is Japanese word, and the meaning of this word tsunami means harbor waves. What? Harbor waves. The meaning of this word tsunami is harbor waves, and this is Japanese word. Now what is tsunami? Okay, actually what happened during the tsunami? Tsunami occurs into the water of sea or ocean. Okay, where does it occur? Tsunami occurs or form in the sea water or ocean water. Okay, and how does it occur? Whenever the volcanic eruption or earthquake takes place in the underwater of ocean or sea, then tsunami takes place. Tsunami occurs. When does the tsunami occur then? When the earthquake or volcanic eruption takes place under the sea water or ocean water, then what happened? This tsunami takes place. Suppose this is ocean. Okay, this is ocean, and it is the underground water. So what happened when the cracking or volcano or volcanic eruption takes place here or earthquake takes place here? What happened? It begins vibration, and what happened then? Tsunami takes place. When does tsunami take place then? When the earthquake or volcanic eruption takes place under the sea water or ocean water, then what happened? Tsunami takes place. Now what is tsunami? Tsunami is the series of large waves of water. Tsunami is the series of large waves of the water. Okay, tsunami carries large waves, tremendous waves, and these waves which create during the tsunami, it is very harmful, it is very dangerous. And these waves, large waves, carries large amount of water, huge amount of water, and this water can sweep out all the cities, village, town which is near to the coastal area. There is lots of tremendous power in these waves. Okay, whenever the tsunami takes place, what happened? These waves create from the ocean or sea, and it carries, these waves carries huge amount of the water, and the power of this water is what? These water waves which create during the tsunami, it can wipe all the city, villages, towns series of the waves. And when does it take place? Tsunami takes place when the volcanic eruption or earthquake occurs in the underground water of ocean or sea. Okay. Now, when did this tsunami happen? Now, one incident is there on 26th of December 2004. That was the date. 26th of December 2004. In the west coast of Indonesia. Okay, west coast of Indonesia in what was the date? 26th of December 2004. That was the date. On the coast of Indonesia, what happened? Tsunami created there. And when did this tsunami create there? What happened? The 30 meters, the height of that waves which created there during the tsunami, when this huge amount of waves created there, the height of that waves, water waves was 30 meters. The height of that water waves was how much? It was 30 meter high. Okay, and it affected to different 11 countries. Okay, these waves which created there in Indonesia, these waves affected to different 11 countries which were near to the Indian Ocean, which were located near to the Indian Ocean. So 11 countries were there. These countries were affected by these harmful waves which were created during the tsunami. And these waves which were created, the height of that wave was 30 meters. And these waves created lots of destruction, huge amount of destruction these waves of this tsunami created there. So in this incident on 26th of December 2004, what happened? Huge amount of destruction occurred there. So near about lakhs of people died in this. Lakh of people died in this. They lost their life, they lost their property there, and many of the people injured, and many of the people became homeless there. Okay, during this incident when happened, lakh of people died in this incident, and many more people injured in this incident, and many people became homeless. So whenever tsunami comes, it is very harmful because it destroys or it do the destruction on large scale. Okay. So now what is tsunami then? Tsunami is Japanese word. Okay. It is the Japanese word. Tsunami is the Japanese word. And the meaning of this word is what? Harbor wave. Its meaning is what? Harbor wave. The meaning of this word is what? Harbor wave. Okay. And tsunami is what? Tsunami. Tsunami is, it is the series of water waves. Okay, it is the series of water waves, okay, which occurs in here in sea and ocean. It is the series of water waves, large amount of water waves, and it occurs in the sea or oceans. Okay. Tsunami is what? Tsunami is the series of water waves and it occurs in the sea or ocean. Okay. Now, how does this tsunami occur in the sea water? So, cause of the tsunami. What? Cause of tsunami. What is the cause of tsunami? earthquake or volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption take place in the sea or ocean, then the tsunami takes place. When does tsunami take place? When in the underground water of seas or oceans. What happened there? What happened? Earthquake or volcanic eruption takes place there, underground of the water. Then what happened? Large amount of water create there, huge amount of water was create there, and tsunami occur. And tsunami is very, very harmful because it carries what? Huge amount of water, and this water can sweep all. It can sweep all the cities, all the towns, all the villages which are near to the coastal areas. So the waves are very powerful, very strong. It can brings lots of destruction, or it can destroy everything, or it can create loss of life or huge amount of property destroys. Okay. So tsunami is very, very harmful. It is very dangerous. So I have told you the incident on 26th of December 2004 in Indonesia. What had happened there? Tsunami had come, and what it did? This tsunami killed lack of people in that, and many more people injured in that incident, and many of the people became homeless due to this tsunami. And the height of that waves, water waves, when created there, it was 30 meter long, 30 meter, and it affected to 11 different countries which were located near to the Indian Ocean. So we can't imagine about tsunami. It is very, very harmful to everything. Okay. So here we have learned the information about tsunami, which is our natural calamity. Now we have learned. I hope you understood what is tsunami and how does it occur. And I told you one incident, one example of tsunami. I hope you understood this point. Okay. And when our lesson will complete, I will give you the question and answer of that. So here I have written. You can also note down the points in your notebook. Okay. So here we have completed our point tsunami. Now see you in the next video with the next point of our lesson. So up to that time, stay safe, stay healthy at your home, and don't forget to make the notes. Don't forget to write in your notebook. Okay. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay safe at your home. Thank you. See you in the next video.